everyone, welcome to the channel Better Biology. Today we will going to discuss about infection, and infection is of two types: surface infection and systemic infection. Examples of surface infection are common cold, gonorrhea, dysentery, and another one scientific infection is of typhoid, measles, mumps, tuberculosis. And what is the incubation period of surface infection is less than 1 week, but in systemic infection it can be more than 1 week. Recovery mechanism: what is recovery mechanism in surface infection? It can be non adaptive, and the recovery mechanism are interferon and natural killer cells. But in systemic infection, recovery mechanism can be adaptive immune response. If memory cells are present in our body, then secondary immune response can be generated in 1 to 2 days. So here we have shown about systemic infection, how the mechanism work in systemic infection. So firstly, here infection can be caused by any pathogen: influenza, diphtheria, shigella, or dysentery. Okay, when the pathogens enter in our body or in our skin cells, epithelial cells, then it will come in contact with the lymph nodes. Then after lymph nodes have been infected, they will infect further blood vessels, where primary parasitemia cause, which is when any parasite or any microbes enter in our bloodstream for the first time. It is called primary parasitemia or primary bacteremia. Bacteremia can be caused by bacteria. Then after entering in bloodstream, they will enter in other organs also, like blood vessels, liver, or spleen. After entering in other organs, they will infect the blood vessels of these organs also. They will multiply in those blood cells and cause disease like dengue, malaria, typhoid. Dengue, malaria, typhoid can be caused by primary parasitemia. Okay, then they will go in other blood vessels also to cause secondary parasitemia. There can be hepatitis B, yellow fever also. And it can also cause secondary parasitemia. Secondary parasitemia basically mean when the primary parasitemia enter into other blood vessels after infecting the first blood cells, then it is called secondary parasitemia. After secondary parasitemia, it will enter the pathogens will enter in other organs like skin, brain, lungs, kidney, salivary glands. After entering these organs, they can cause diseases, different diseases, which can be if it has entered in skin, it can cause chicken pox. In brain, it will cause rabies and poliomyelitis. In lungs, it can cause measles and rubella. In kidney, leprosis, polyoma virus can cause the disease. In salivary gland, it can cause measles and mumps.